Hi class, this is Rupinder Thin and today I'm going to propose some solutions to global warming through this presentation. So what is global warming? Global warming can be defined as long-term shifts in temperature due to exceeding amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere by certain human activities such as burning of fossil fuels like coal, gas and oil. So it is an increase in average temperature of Earth's surface. What picture come to my mind when I think of global warming? Carbon emissions by thermal power plants, air pollution, carbon emissions by vehicles, melting glaciers, drought, and deforestation. What is the cause of these problems? Global warming is a serious threat that humans are facing today. Carbon dioxide and methane are two examples of greenhouse gas emissions. These gases come from using gasoline for driving vehicles. Over the year, all this carbon dioxide has accumulated in the atmosphere. More carbon dioxide in the atmosphere causes more global warming. There are many other causes, but transport vehicles play a big role in carbon emissions. One way to stop this is changing the mode of transportation, which will help reduce the carbon footprints. Let's discuss some examples of sustainable transportation. First is electric vehicles. Electric vehicles run on electricity that is propelled by one or more electric motor powered by rechargeable batteries, also known as battery electric vehicles. It is energy efficient, environment friendly, and reduces energy demand. Walking the shorter distance is also a step towards this journey. Even a single step to reduce carbon footprint is a big contribution. Biking. Stepping onto the bike pedals help reduce carbon footprint. It is also a good exercise. Clear air and low noise are some benefits of cycling. Public transport. Taking buses and trains is cheaper than private cars. If people own a car, they have to pay monthly installments and car insurance, which is more expensive than public transportation. Buses are propelled by CNG. Electric motors are run on biofuels with zero carbon emissions. Next is carpooling. So it is an activity of sharing a car journey with one or more people to the same journey of nearby destination. It helps reduce carbon footprints, traffic congestion, and it is an opportunity for social interaction. Counter argument. Some consider that sustainable transportation is not a viable solution because purchasing price and charging infrastructure of electric vehicles are concerning, but manufacturers are continually working on it. Rising ticket prices are also challenging. Customer service is very poor for public transport. Many people are not aware of the schedule. Rush hour inconvenience. It is very inconvenient to wait for a person you are carpooling with when you are in rush. Delays and unreliability. Nothing can provide comfort as your own vehicles. Transportation delays can put you in trouble. Conclusion. Free up country finances. To conclude, switching from expensive fossil fuel to renewable energy sources, which are free and would again free up the country finances, so they can spend it on another means, and that would bring transportation to the access of many millions who otherwise can afford to have it. Reduce reliance on one's own vehicle. People reduce their use of vehicles and can have efficient transit systems. Similarly, in rich and as well as developing countries, those who can afford cars and individual vehicles should reduce their reliance on them. Renew lifestyle. Start either walking or biking so that we can reduce our carbon footprints. So all of us need to review our lifestyle and change it for the sake of environment.